Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to talk about Agenus stock and you can see what happens. Wow, this stock is grow. And let's see the previous video that I made about Agenus. The price was been here like this. Yes, you can see the price 2.75. Video I will talk about Agenus stock. So I will leave the link down below of this video and you can check it out if you want. So I recommend and I say that this stock can be also like speculative stock, and also make sure that price can be also crushed and you need to be ready to buy in the case of crash. So what we can see here, this same point is here. After this point it start growing here. Let's see how much percent, plus 40%. I said that this is speculative and you can earn 40% for minimum, and then the stock crashed here. So it's crashed deeper, updated the lowest point around minus 60%, maybe. Let's see, 63% minus, and then the stock is grow. Let's see, around 300% growing. So that's it. This is my entry point in yellow color, 1.69. I do mean not my entry point, but my last buying point. I do mean, because I start investing in the stock when price was being higher, um, like these points, and then the price crashed. I missed this entry point, then price recover back here. I was being in plus after that while it's crashed, and I start buying the stock here. Then when price crashed around here, I bought it again. Okay, let's see my orders of buying. The first is this one. You can see my order in 20 of soft mount. Yeah, it's 20 of March 2025. Price here 1.69. Another point is 2.69, and that's happened in 30 of December 2024. Let's add the line 2.69 like this, and difference between in these 2 points. Let's see difference. So discount is around minus 35% discount, and I decided to buy here again. Another point is 4.48. I bought it in October of 30 2024. Let's mention again the point. It must be here like this, for example, and you can see in the price chart I bought here, and I didn't wait of crash again, but crash happens. I was being ready always, and crash happens minus 40%. So I decided to buy when price was been here. So this pump go down and I decided to buy here. After a while it's pump up, go down, here accumulation, I decided to buy it again. So that's it. So let's see the summary. I bought here, then here, then here, and I didn't wait the ideal moment, and I didn't wait to be in profit, like paying in zero or paying like plus 34%. But I forgot to show you another order, and I start to buy this stock earlier. Here let's see the order in 24, and it's in January 2024, 24 January of 2024. But why the price 0.60? Because of splitting of the stock, and maybe reverse splitting. Let's see the date, 21 January 2024. and let's determine the price in the chart. Yes, I found here, you can see January 2024. Maybe here, like momentum January 2024, like this moment. Okay, let's take the point here. Let's mention. Yeah, here you can see 1158. So, and let's see discount from this point to the next point. Discount is minus 60%, and after a while I start to buying this stock. Okay, and what right now? We can see if I bought here only and I skip buying these points, I was been in minus 49% still. But now I am in plus 69% instead of paying minus 50%. That is a difference of doing dollar cost average, and in your strategy you can earn in the long term. So let's see the buying period. So I start buying here and now passed already 504 days. It's around 1 year and 6 months. And after this long term, when the price crashed, I could be in plus, guys, because I did dollar cost average, buying in each point, okay, with the same amount of money. Or here you could buy with more money, okay, with more money, and it means more shares. So it's easy to get out in plus in the case of growing. So that's why never buy in the process of growing, and never buy when others greed. Now is a greed time and people are greeding, of course. Here buy, it means greed. I don't know why it's not extreme greed yet, but it's greed already, by the way. 1 year price target by analysis is 11.50. Let's see the point. So I think here is the gap, and this gap may be closed. I believe that this gap can be closed, by the way. Okay, let's change the color like blue color, or let's change to another color like um, like like this color, for example. Okay, let's change to another one. I want to be more attractive. Okay, here, this one. So in my opinion, this gap can be closed, by the way, but I don't recommend to buy for this point, because you will earn around 145, or here 96%. But what if you buy here in this 1.69? So you could earn 674%. Here is 700%. That's why I don't recommend to buy now, and also buying right now is dangerous, and I don't recommend because the price also can be crushed. I don't know, but I think here has been accumulation, and they are not letting price go down yet. If I go to the closely, let's open the 2 hourly time frame. Let's see something like this. So here we can see like this. Go to the close like 30-minute time frame, and it is better visible. I think price from this point can continue growing, but I could be also wrong. Okay, let's see, let's follow the process and let's see what will be happen. So I think the closing gap can be realistic, but again, guys, if you bought here and also bought here and your goals are speculative, so you have a good chance to sell this stock in this current point. So it's up to you, but if you want to wait higher, then just hold and that's it. If I open the monthly time frame, we can see globally this stock exists since 2001 2001, and it's older than 2001. Here we can see the listing price, like this one. Anyways, so we can see after listing is crushed, but let's see the average growing percent, 123% for example. If I come here, let's see here how much percent of growing, by the way. Okay, let's connect to the weekly time frame maybe. Yes, weekly is better, and let's analyze the maximum growing percent in whole history. Here 246%. What about here? Next point here, growing happens like 942%, but you couldn't sell in squeeze. Okay, let's take here 600%. Okay, that's it. Go forward and let's see. Yes, momentum. Let's see here. Let's measure it. 88% momentum. Yes, and here we can see 239%. Another points let's make here. Let's measure. 279. Here is 179%. 284%. About here. 115%. Go down. Come here. Here is 214%. And now right now is, let's take measurement again. It's around close to 300%. 252 for example. So what I want to say, in all history this stock in average grow 200% or 270%. So that's why if you want to sell, I recommend to sell, because in average the stock not grows too high. So it also can be another scenario, and may stock grow here and close this gap. If I connect to the daily time frame, this gap is visible. If I connect to the weekly time frame, that gap is not visible, guys. So you can do your step and sell right now or wait for this point. It's up to you. What you think about this stock, please let me know in comments, guys. What you will do if you will be instead of me, sell right now or wait for closing the gap. Please let me know in comments. Do you own this Agenus stock? It will be really interesting to see your opinion, see your comments. Okay, I have also Telegram channel of investing in crypto and stock market. My thoughts, my recommendations, my podcast you can see in my Telegram channel. Link down below in description. So thanks for watching. If you find my video helpful, then like my video, share with your friends, and subscribe to my YouTube channel to support my channel. So guys, if you are not selling now, and in the case of scenario like crashing here and lower, so you need to make sure to buy here if you plan to hold longer time, okay, you need to make sure that you are ready to buy. In the case of scenario, if price will be crushed from this point to minus 50%, for example, it will be 74 cents, for example, or $1. So you can buy the stock when price will come here or even here. But I think if price will come here, the price will go down. I don't think that if price come here will stay, because this stock in long distance, this stock is crushing, and this is not for lifelong time holding stock, I think. But I also could be wrong, and in from the point like 1.72, price can come here and you will have 2337%. In the case of going up, 7790%. In the case of here, it will be 10,000%. In the case of going here, 46,000%. But this is fantastic, and I think it's out of reality. I don't think that price will come here, but maybe it can be happen. I could be wrong again. So here we can see pretty huge volume. If I compare to here and here, we can see these years are the highest volume. Are you really believe that stock can go up here like 232 or 1,300, 300? I think $200 can be realistic here. Like 47 also can be realistic. Okay, the first thing, let's reach the $47. Okay, the first thing, let's close the gap with $12, and then only go to the $47 or like that. Here we need to close the gap first. Hit all these resistance levels and go here to 45. Here is a strong resistance level that must be hit this level, $28. Then go to this resistance level here. You can see this is pretty strong resistance level. This point is strong resistance level. Let's make it here in blue color. This is strong resistance level. So I can wait the price here again, but the first thing, let's close the gap first and then go up here. After a while, let's see another resistance levels. So this is resistance level again here. Then another level like maybe these points, and another levels like here, for example. So this is the levels that I made, that I show here. You can see levels, and only then when these levels are reached, it's going to this level of resistance. So I don't know actually what will be happen, and it's realistic to see these points, but $31 can be realistic. So we can see in previous history this gap has been closed, by the way, and let's see how much growth percent. Here is 218%. So in all history, this stock is closed successfully gaps, but only now in this point it's not fully closed, but it's partly closed. Let's see how much percent of growing, like 158%. So, and let's see the difference of discount from this gap. Let's see, for example, minus 30%. Okay, come here again, and let's take minus 30%, and let's little understand this. Okay, let's take minus 30% discount here, and I think price can be reached to the $977, for example here 971. Let's make here 971. Okay, momentum, I need to make it 971. Yes. So how much percent left, by the way? Here we can see like plus 65% and closing the part gap. I don't know what will happen later. Okay guys, that's all. Thanks for watching. I give you all information that I think about. If I am helpful, then like, share with your friends, subscribe, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.